future they'll put to the test. Working together is what they do best. Helping their family and friends, that's the start. They make a great team as they each do their part. It's Maya and Miguel. What they will do next, you never can tell. It's Maya and Miguel. Brother and sister and best friends as well. Brother and sister, Maya and Miguel.
Nothing really bothers Miguel. Oh, yeah, I bother him. But I'm just a little bit annoying. Other than that...
El niño.
When it comes to his drawing, Miguel can drive himself crazy. Ay, bien loco. Comic book for a big contest, and nothing was going to stop him. At least, that's what he thought. Shoot! Miguel, are you all right?
Doing great.
You don't sound so great.
I've got to get this comic book in the mail by 3 o'clock. I just can't figure out the ending of the story. The superhero's trapped. The villain's getting away. Y después, ¿qué pasa?
How about the superhero discovers an amazing superpower
that would never happen.
He had?
Nope, I tried that. It didn't work.
Okay, well, what if the superhero finds a secret passageway out of the trap and he sneaks up on the villain?
That's this one, combined with this one.
Alrighty, well, let's think here. Oh, you have an idea? Great, what is it? Come on, say it! Shoot! Miguel?
I have to get out of bed.
I'm sorry, Miguelito. You have a fever and you have to rest.
But my comic book, I have to finish it or I'll miss the contest. Or Maya can finish it.
Huh? Oh, Miguel, I don't think I can.
Casi lo he terminado. All you have to do is think of a really great ending. One that's really exciting and funny and action-packed and...
What exactly do you mean by, great? No tengo ninguna idea. I have no idea how to finish this. What if my ending is terrible?
Maya, Miguel just wants you to help him. That's what families do. They help each other out.
It's true.
Plus, sometimes the more brains you have thinking about something, the better it gets, Nena.
The more brains... Eso es! Gracias, papi! Maggie, it's Maya. We need to have an emergency meeting of all of our brains at your house. Great! I'll be right over.
What are we doing here?
I have no idea. You all may be wondering what you're doing here. Well, I brought you here because I need your brains. Mi mente! I need your imaginations. Oh, imaginaciones. That's okay. Miguel has been working like crazy to get this comic book finished so he can enter it in the contest. Today he got sick, so he couldn't finish it. Our job is to think of a creative ending, finish the comic book, and get it in the mail before that clock strikes 3.
Actually, that clock is broken.
Okay, fine. That clock! So, meet your superhero, the Total Touchly.
Total what?
The Total Touchly. Part rabbit, part bird, all hero. Miguel based his superhero on Aztec stories and drawings.
Cool.
So, what happens in the story?
Well, it starts on the morning of the regional soccer championship game. Using his color-changing powers to blend in, the evil villain, the cryptic chameleon, also known as Quetzalcoatl, sneaks into the soccer stadium, ready to hatch his most cold-blooded plot yet.
Now you see me, now you don't. Aha! There it is, the championship trophy. And now it will be mine, with one snap of the tongue. The famous championship trophy. You are finally mine! What will I do with you, my treasure? Maybe I'll eat bugs out of you. Only time will tell. But now, we must escape this place.
Meanwhile, from his secret hideaway deep in the woods, the Total Touchly hears the news of trouble.
Uh-oh, trouble. Uh-oh, trouble.
What's going on, Rabbit Bird Facts?
Didn't you hear me the first time? I said trouble.
The championship trophy is missing. This sounds like a job for... the Total Touchly, Rabbit Birdman, with a hop and a flap. Away! Squawkmobile to the soccer stadium.
Look, up in the sky, it's the Total Touchly.
Hey, I just thought it was a flying turquoise car with feathered wings that looks like a rabbit bird that was making a nosedive onto the field.
Oh, yeah!
The Total Touchly, the trophy. It was right here and now it's gone.
Interesting. Very interesting. First, I'll use my goggles to survey the area.
And that bird funny thing won't get me this time. Run! Faster!
Lock on target.
Just as I suspected, this is the work of Quetzalcoatl.
There is nothing I love more than a caged bird. Hasta la vista, the Total Touchly.
Must escape net.
And? Well, that's it. That's it? That's all Miguel has so far. We have to think of the rest. Okay, so, what do you have? I think of it. I know how the story ends. Great, Tito. Let's hear it. The Total Touchly is trapped in the boat and cannot get out.
Must escape net.
And then here comes Tito Tolo, the world's greatest soccer player. Only 7 years old. Tito Tolo, Tito Tolo, Tito Tolo, Tito Tolo.
Perdón. I I don't mean to interrupt, but I'm tangled in a net here, and I've got a world to save.
Right! With one kick, I save you and capture Quetzalin. Referee, the whistle, por favor. Nice job, Tito.
Nice job, Tito.
Yeah, good stuff, man.
Good to go?
Well, I like the story, but instead of Totolo Touchley being the hero, it was Tito. Tolo?
Yeah, it's good, no? Well... Oh, I have another idea. Listen to this. Totolo Touchley is trapped in the goal and can't get out. And then in comes the famous pop music duet, the Fashionista Police. We were going to sing to you all during the halftime show, but there's a certain bird/rabbit that could use a song. Totolo Touchley, this is for you. Sometimes you feel tangled up, all caught up in a net. But if you think you've had enough, don't give up just yet. You gotta hold on, just as long as you can. You gotta hold on, oh, brother, man.
Call me dense, but I don't get how this is gonna help save the day and finish the story.
Oh, well, yeah! I haven't thought that far ahead.
Well, what about this? Totolo Touchley has bird-like superpowers, right? Well, what if he has the power to mimic like fairies do? So...
Sometimes I feel tangled up, all caught up in a net. But if I think I've had enough, I can't give up just yet. I've got to hold on, just as long as I can.
I've done it! I've escaped! The trophy is mine!
Hold on, I'm a rabbit bird man.
Why, that song, it's beautiful. Oh, what am I doing? Stealing things? Causing trouble? This life of evil? It was never the life I wanted. All I ever wanted to do was dance.
You gotta hold on.
The power of music. Hold on. Yeah. Thank you, good night, you're beautiful.
Oh, no, thank you. No, it's not me, it's you. Oh, stop it. Thanks.
Nice! Very nice! I think we have a story. And it's a good thing, too. We're running out of time. All right, let's get drawing. Oh, wait. Where's Tito Tolo, the soccer star?
And where was the action? Didn't Miguel want action?
Oh, yeah. He mentioned that.
Here's how I think the story should end. So, our hero is trapped in a goal and can't get out.
Must escape net.
Just then, he hears some beeps. And he sees some flashing lights. And then, down into the field, lands Robo Theo.
I am Robo Theo. 50% robot, 50% kid, 50% awesome.
Robo Theo, I'm so glad you're here. I'm tangled in this net. I can't get out. Thanks, Robo Theo.
Get on. Hold on. Activating supersonic scanning device. Chameleon detected.
I've escaped! The trophy is mine! Now all I have to do is board that plane, and I'll be on my way to Puerto Vallarta! Ever get the feeling that a duo of superheroes is about to swoop down on you and ruin your day? No? That's funny because I do. Pardon me.
Stuck right there, you weasel!
I'm a chameleon! Un camaleon!
Activate refractory plasma neutralizer.
Can't move!
Trophy saved.
And then, Robo-Theo opens up the trophy and finds a microchip hidden inside. The chip contains 3,000 gigawatts of data.
Okay, Theo. I think we have enough. So, is everybody okay with this ending?
Wow, Robo-Theo can do everything.
Yeah, but where's the music? In the soccer star?
But everybody loves robots.
Miguel would love the music. Miguel loves soccer. Miguel would love the music. Miguel loves soccer.
Robots.
Soccer. The music.
Robots.
Soccer. The music.
Robots.
Soccer. The music.
Robots. Action's the way to go.
No, music's the way to go.
But Miguel loves soccer. You got to have a soccer star.
No,
it needs more
action. Music, that's the most important thing. Sorry, just need some quiet here so I can think. I got it! So, the Total Touchly is trapped in the goal and can't get out.
Oh, if only Robo-Theo knew I was in trouble, he'd be able to cut me free. Hey, I know. Fashionista police, come here!
Yes!
I need you to help me sing the Robo-Theo theme song. Repeat after me. Robo-Theo to the rescue!
Robo-Theo to the rescue!
Todos! Robo-Theo to the rescue!
Robo-Theo to the rescue! Robo-Theo to the rescue! Robo-Theo to the rescue!
You called.
Robo-Theo, quick! You must rescue me so we can capture Quetzalcoatl and save the trophy! And he's heading for that airplane! Prepare for descent!
I've done it! I've escaped! The trophy is mine! Now all I have to do is board that plane, and I'll be on my way to Puerto Vallarta! Oh, why do I have a funny feeling I've been here before? Oh! Run!
There he goes! Get him!
Activate refractory plasma neutralizer. Malfunction.
Malfunction? But he's getting away!
You didn't catch me this time, Total Touchly! To Puerto Vallarta I go!
Oh.
Hold on, Rabbit Birdman!
Huh? Ha! Got you now, Quetzalcoatl! Your days of trophy snatching are through! Hand it over!
Oh, thank you to Total Touchly. You saved the trophy.
Don't just thank me. I couldn't have done it without help from my friends. Robo-Theo, the Fashionista Police, Tito the Soccer Star, and the Quetzalcoatl. Nice try.
Yay! Tito's in it! And the singers!
And Robo-Theo, too.
Hey, they were your ideas. I just had to put them all together. Uh-oh, what about the drawings? minutes to spare. Maya, that's the wrong clock. Oh no! We only have 2 minutes! Run! Senor Felipe, wait! It's gone. We missed it.
There's a mailbox on Maple Street.
Senor Felipe will have to stop there, and then we can give him the package.
Oh, no! I got cut off!
No! Senor Felipe!
Huh?
Espere!
You got it to me just in time.
Well, I'm about to go back to sort the mail at the post office right now.
We put our brains together and came up with something that no one person could have made alone. Would the judges feel the same way?
Mail's here!
Aquí! This is it!
Open it!
I'm too nervous. You open it.
I'll open it. Dear Miguel, thank you for submitting your comic book, The Adventures of Totoro Touchley. We are pleased to announce that you have won the prize for Most Creative Idea.
I won a prize!
Yes! Yes! Miguel, you did it!
I didn't do it. We did it. Thanks for finishing it, Maya.
Miguel thanked me for finishing his book, but the real thanks go to Robo Theo, the Fashionista Police, and Tino Tolo.
Yeah!